So tell me, what was your original problem? Like, how did you hurt yourself?
So I was tubing behind a boat at my friend's lake house, and I flew off the tube and I hit my friend's ankle flying off, broke it.
I don't think I knew all those details.
Yeah. I fully hit my friend's ankle, broke my nose up here, and pushed my tooth back from the root.
And then remind me, so you had it reset once?
Yes.
Or twice? Until
Yes.
somebody straightened it out.
Yes.
But then what happened? Like it just still was blocking off
Yeah.
breathing?
It healed into a deviated septum and then turbinates and all the medical words I don't know.
And so we're now 5 weeks after surgery.
Yes.
Right? And how do you feel?
So much better. I can breathe 100 times better than I could before.
Awesome. And then did we straighten it out?
Yes.
Do you like how your new, I guess the same nose is
Yeah.
straightened out?
Yeah, straightened out, got rid of the bump that was caused from the broken bone and everything, and it looks great.